I think the most important aspect of being an employee or a leader within Georgia Pacific is to make our values come to life. Bringing integrity always. We do everything with integrity, which takes a lot of courage. And I found that through my career, there have been opportunities and doors that I've needed to step through that I've needed to have courage. And you don't understand that you have it until you have to apply it. But I'm more confident in my ability to be an effective leader because of those experiences. Our ability to be a good steward in the community, I think, is really important. We want to be responsible with the resources we've been given, not only be a business and a place of employment, which is really important, but understand what values are in that community. And ultimately, our business will have more foundation for long-term success. Our employees, which we consider to be our greatest asset, is another group where we look to create preferred partnerships. People being more principled entrepreneurs, looking for ways to create new value for the business, our shareholders, and society is how we create win-win situations or virtuous cycles of mutual benefit.